My name is Mia, and this is my Christmas story about my family. Christmas is my favorite time of the year. I love the lights, the music, the food, and the feeling of being together.
This year, Christmas is very special because my whole family is at home. My husband Ted, my son Luke, my daughter Penny.
And my parents, Arthur and Grace, are all with me.
Outside, the air is cold and the sky is gray. I make a cup of hot chocolate and stand near the window. I can see our small garden and some lights on the fence. I feel happy and a little excited. Today, we will decorate the house, cook a big dinner, and spend time together. Soon, Ted wakes up and comes to the kitchen.
Good morning, Mia. Merry Christmas Eve. Oh. He gives me a hug and takes some hot chocolate.
We speak about the plan for the day,
Okay, so first we need to get the groceries.
and then I can handle the decorations while you start the appetizers. Ted will help my dad, Arthur, with the lights outside. I will stay inside and decorate the living room with the kids and my mom, Grace.
Luke is 12 years old and Penny is 8. They are very excited. Mom, can we decorate the tree now? Yes, but first you need to brush your teeth and make your beds. They run back upstairs. I laugh. They always move fast on Christmas. When they come back, my parents arrive.
My dad, Arthur, wears a red scarf and a warm coat.
My mom, Grace, holds a small box of cookies she baked at home.
Merry Christmas, everyone!
The house is suddenly full of voices and laughter.
We start with the Christmas tree in the living room.
It is tall and green, and it smells fresh. I open the boxes with decorations. Red and gold balls, little stars, candy canes, and some handmade ornaments from past years. Penny, you can help me with the lower branches.
Okay, Mommy, she answers and takes a small star.
Luke wants to put the lights on the tree. Be careful, Luke. Don't pull too hard.
We talk and laugh. Sometimes the lights get tangled, and we need to stop and fix them. Penny sings a simple Christmas song again. Luke tells us about his favorite gift from last year.
And then he said, "Watch out for the Yeti," but it was just Uncle Barry in a snowsuit.
I listen and feel warm inside.
In the meantime, Ted and Arthur go outside. They put lights around the front door and on the small tree in the garden. Through the window, I can see them working and talking together. Sometimes they stop and look at their work with proud faces.
After we finish the tree, we plug in the lights.
Wow.
The tree is beautiful. The lights are soft and warm. The red and gold balls shine. At the top, there is a big golden...
Next, we decorate the rest of the house. We put a Christmas wreath on the front door.
My mom, Grace, puts a small nativity scene on a shelf. She always brings it every year. At lunchtime, we eat something simple. Sandwiches, soup, and fruit.
We don't want to eat too much because the big Christmas dinner is in the evening. While we eat, we talk about old Christmas memories.
Do you remember when Luke was 3 and he tried to open all the presents before dinner?
I was only a baby.
After lunch, it is time to cook. The kitchen becomes the center of the house. My mom and I work together. We prepare a big roast chicken, potatoes, vegetables, and a salad. We also make a simple dessert with apples and cinnamon. The smell in the kitchen is amazing.
Mom, can I help?
Of course. You can wash the vegetables.
Luke helps Ted set the table in the dining room. They put plates, glasses, and knives and forks on the table.
Ted shows Luke how to fold the napkins in a nice way.
My dad, Arthur, turns on some soft Christmas music. It plays in the background while we cook and work. Sometimes my parents dance a little in the kitchen. My mom laughs, and my dad holds her hand.
I watch them and think, this is what love looks like after many years.
The afternoon is calm. Outside, it gets dark early.
The lights on our tree and outside the house shine brighter now. Penny sits on the sofa with a picture book about Christmas.
Luke plays a board game with Grandpa Arthur at the table. Ted and I finish the last details in the kitchen.
Finally, dinner is ready. Ted opens the door to the dining room and calls, "Dinner time!"
Everyone comes and sits down. The table looks beautiful.
There are candles, a red tablecloth, and a small decoration with pine branches in the center.
Before we start to eat, we take a moment to say thanks. I am thankful for my family.
I am thankful that we are healthy and together.
I am thankful for Grandma's cookies.
I am thankful for this warm home.
We begin to eat. The food tastes very good. We talk about school, work, and plans for the new year.
Sometimes there is silence, but it is a comfortable silence. The children tell jokes.
And there I was, face to face with at least 10 enormous reindeer.
Arthur, dear, there was only one, and it was a goat.
After dinner, we move back to the living room. Ted makes hot chocolate for everyone.
We sit on the sofa or on the floor near the tree. The lights are still on. The room feels cozy and safe.
Can we open one present tonight? Penny asks.
I look at Ted. He nods.
Okay, just one small present.
The children choose their presents carefully. Luke opens a small box with a new book inside. He smiles.
He loves reading adventure stories. Penny opens a soft toy, a little reindeer. She hugs it and gives it a name, Snowy. We don't open the other gifts yet. They will wait for tomorrow morning.
Tonight is not only about presents. It is about being together.
To end the evening, we play a simple family game. We take turns saying one thing that makes us happy this year.
I am happy because I learned to ride a bike. I am happy because I have good friends at school.
I am happy because I can spend time with my grandchildren.
I am happy because our family loves each other.
When it is time for the children to go to bed, they don't want to go. Can we stay up a little longer, Mom?
Just 10 more minutes, I say. They sit close to me and rest their heads on my shoulders. I feel their warmth and hear their slow breathing. I know they are getting sleep.
Finally, Ted takes Luke to his room, and I take Penny to hers. I help Penny get into her pajamas and tuck her into bed. Good night, Mommy. Merry Christmas.
When the children are asleep, Ted and I go back to the living room. The tree lights are still on, and the house is quiet again.
My parents are in the guest room, preparing for bed.
There,
All done.
good night, my love.
Ted takes my hand.
We can, and well, no.
It was a good day.
Yes, I say. It was a wonderful day. The stockings and the quiet, warm room. For me, this is the true meaning of Christmas. Simple moments, a warm home, and the people I love around me.